Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am Deaunna Jonae, if you did not know. And y'all, in today's video, I have brought the girls a collaboration with QVR Hair. Jumping right into it, this is their Afro Kinky bulk hair. It is 100% unprocessed human hair, and it is in 20 inches. And if you want to know what QVR stands for, it's Queen Virgin Remy. I didn't know that. So anyways, when the package is sent to you, this is what it looks like. And the colors I have is P32, 16, 613. This is that color that everybody wants, that Reese cup type of color where you get the two different types of blondes and a darker brown color. And honestly, y'all, that darker brown color, it has a lot of hints of red. In certain lights that you stand in, it kind of comes off as like a burgundy almost type of color, but it is really pretty. So they are going to send you a bunch of crochet needles. I feel like I had one in at least every other pack, and I was sent 5 packs of this hair. When it comes to taking the net off of the hair, be very careful so that you don't lose too much hair. Right here, I'm just separating the colors from each other because I'm going to do my twist as separate colors and kind of like a pattern throughout my hair. As I was doing this, I noticed that you have a lot of the 27 color. So right here, I want to show y'all another option that you can do when you get this color combo. You can blend the colors together so that your twists have all 3 colors in them, and it just kind of gives you that blended look. You do this by taking it very slowly, pulling it apart, and placing it back in your hand in a different area just to get the colors all mixed and blended together. And this is what that blend looks like. Now, I personally opted out of doing this because, like I said, I wanted to do the twist in all different colors. But I went ahead and did a twist so that y'all can see what it would look like. And I'm going to put it against my arm so you can see exactly how it, may look on you. Okay, moving on to prepping the hair, I went ahead and pulled out my Linda Marie hair easel, and I sectioned out my hair to the thickness that I wanted it. And now I am ready to start twisting. So here I have some pre-parted mini twists that are already in my hair, and I just took those loose and started to put the twist in my hair. Obviously, you're going to need some type of gel. I just had this on hand, so I used it. Right here, I am using the knotless braid method, where you braid the root of your hair and add in the pieces of the human bulk hair and then begin to twist it. I'm not doing anything too special to the twist. I do roll it a little bit in between my fingers like a rope twist, but not too much. You're still doing a simple twist. Now, as I approach the ends, I did add in more hair because I wanted it to be long. So here is just a view of what it looks like when you do this type of method. Now, y'all, I must admit, I instantly regretted wanting to do very small twists because this hairstyle took me a couple of days because I just did not have the energy to want to sit long and put these twists in. So they're probably going to be in my hair for a while, considering how long it took me to do it. I would say I probably did my hair over a course of 3 days, just doing just a couple of hours at a time, until I had it finished. I would highly recommend you go ahead and have somebody else do it for you. Here I am showing you my preferred method, which is the rope twist method. Splitting that section in half, I am twisting one side to the left. I know it looks like the right at the moment because of how the video is, but I'm actually twisting to the left in reality. Cross over and then twist the other section in the same direction. I know a lot of videos out there tell you to twist them in opposite directions. This has never worked for me. I always twist them in the same direction. After that, I just continue twisting all the way down. This is a whole section completed. This whole section took about an hour to do. All right, so moving on to what you would do when you finally have finished your hair. You want to get some hot water for sealing the ends and making it curl up. I'm using this hot water kettle for dipping my ends. I'm not doing it boiling at all. And then I have this curling mousse that I'm also going to apply to my hair. So y'all, this was the finished look. I absolutely love it. Y'all, please don't be afraid of blonde in this season. So let's talk about how we are going to style it. So my favorite elegant style is a fishbone braid, swoop to the side, honey, and pinned up. Okay, start from the back, and you're gonna take the right side and cross it to the left, and then take the left side, cross it to the right, and you're going to continue doing that all the way up your head until you cannot cross it anymore. And then you turn it into just a regular braid when you get down to the end. Now we're gonna take that and roll it up. And this is where you grab a couple of bobby pins. I have 3 right here, but really you only need like 2, honestly. Maybe not even that. Pin your hair exactly how you want it, whether you want it pushed up really high or coming down lower. And this is how you do the fishbone updo. I think it is so beautiful. A way to make your braids look classy. Another style that I will be doing is a high ponytail. I don't know what it is about having a high ponytail, but it just makes me feel so snatched and so girly. I love it. So I just threw all of my hair to the front and pulled a scrunchie up there, and that was it, y'all. High ponytail. All right, last but not least, we are going to split that in half and go ahead and roll it around into a bun. Girl, if you about to go to church or have you a date, go ahead and put that elegant bun up there, honey. Yes, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. The link to this hair will be in the description box below. And y'all, thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to be beautiful and stay blessed. Bye-bye.